Welcome to South Korea, a vibrant and culturally rich country waiting to be explored. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a food lover, or an adventure seeker, Korea has something for everyone. And in this video, we'll share some essential tips to make your first trip to Korea an unforgettable experience. For even more detailed information, don't forget to grab our Korea Travel Guide PDF linked in the comments below. It's packed with valuable insights and recommendations to enhance your journey. First, grab a Discover Seoul Pass. Make the most of your time in Seoul by getting a Discover Seoul Pass. This pass provides access to major attractions, discounts on shopping and dining, and unlimited use of public transportation. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to explore the city. Explore local markets and street food. Immerse yourself in the local culture by visiting traditional markets like Gwangjang Market and Namdaemun Market. These bustling hubs offer a wide variety of fresh produce, traditional crafts, and mouth-watering street food. Don't miss the chance to try popular dishes like bibimbap, tteokbokki, and Korean barbecue. Experience Korean Hanbul. Dive into Korea's rich heritage by renting a hanbok, the traditional Korean attire. Many places in Seoul offer hanbok rentals, allowing you to dress up and explore historical sites such as Gyeongbokgung Palace and Bukchon Hanok Village. Capture stunning photos and feel like a true Korean for a day. Utilize public transportation and get a T-Money card. Korea has an efficient and extensive public transportation system. Get yourself a T-Money card, which allows you to seamlessly travel on buses, subways, and even taxis. It's convenient, cost-effective, and saves you from the hassle of buying individual tickets. Visit iconic landmarks. No trip to Korea is complete without visiting iconic landmarks like Seoul Tower, Cheongdeokgung Palace, and the vibrant district of Myeongdong. Marvel at breathtaking views, delve into the country's history, and indulge in shopping and entertainment. Explore beyond Seoul. While Seoul offers countless attractions, don't forget to venture beyond the capital city. Visit the charming city of Busan, explore the natural beauty of Jeju Island, or experience the ancient traditions in Gyeongju. Each destination has its unique charm and offers a different perspective on Korean culture. Learn how to make Korean food by taking a class. Immerse yourself in the culinary delights of Korea by taking a cooking class. Learn the art of making dishes like kimchi, bulgogi, and traditional side dishes. It's a hands-on experience that allows you to bring a taste of Korea back home. Try the local alcohols. Discover Korea's vibrant drinking culture by trying the local alcohols. Taste traditional rice wine called makgeolli, sample the strong distilled liquor soju, or savor the unique flavors of fruit wines. Enjoy the social atmosphere and raise a glass with locals. Experience the KTX. Travel across the country with speed and comfort on the KTX, Korea's high-speed train. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenic views as you zip between cities. It's a convenient and efficient way to explore different regions of Korea. Relax at local temples. Find tranquility amidst the bustling cities by visiting local temples. Experience the serene atmosphere, explore beautiful temples, and even participate in meditation or temple stay programs. It's a chance to rejuvenate your mind and soul. Traveling to Korea for the first time is an exciting adventure. By following these tips, you'll have a fantastic experience exploring the country's rich culture, trying delicious cuisine, and creating lifelong memories. Don't forget to refer to our Korea Travel Guide PDF for more information. Enjoy your trip to Korea. It may be the start of many more adventures to come.